college in North Carolina yesterday. That's the number 30. He also received his college degree and was inducted into the school's Hall of Fame.
Well, good for him.
Yeah, that was nice. And then there was this survey done by it gives cities an average rudeness score.
Okay.
And the city by the bay is the rudest in
See, I don't buy that.
So they surveyed 30 metropolitan areas. The top was the only other state in the top 10. Nothing but delightful interaction with our You think they're being nice?
Where do I want to start? Let's see. So, Flex Alert is in full effect. You've been hearing about this for a few days. They are calling it slow-played natural disaster. It is
terrible.
Going to be hot. In fact, you're saying you should stay indoors if you between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Basically, just act like we're in Palm Springs in the summertime. You know what I mean?
It's just, it's so disturbing. How many hot weather days did we get years ago?
Right.
Maybe 1 or 2 a summer. And now it's whole weekends.
But global warming's a hoax, y'all.
I know.
That's sarcasm.
Earth is flat.
It's going to be about 107 in Brentwood. Livermore, Pleasanton. I mean, it's just going to be, and like producer Jason trying to take his family to the Sierra foothills, forget it. They say if you don't have AC, that you should find yourself a cool center if you can't get your house cool enough. And then if you do have AC, because of the Flex Alerts, they're asking people between the hours of 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. I'm sorry, 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. to thermostat above 78.
Right.
Because the power grid is going to be taxed like it hasn't been taxed all year. It's going to be crazy. So be careful out there. Stay hydrated. BART offering 50% off all fares through the month of September, celebrating their 50th anniversary. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then what else? The Han Solo blaster that Harrison Ford used in Star Wars just sold for $1 million. And the best part is, it was expected to grab half that much. So if I'm the person that has it, I am stoked.
That's incredible. And I'm assuming this is from the first movie.
Yes. That's a lot of cash. Not a good week for Bay Area baseball. The Giants dropped 7 in a row after losing to San Diego yesterday 5-4. Brandon Crawford got ejected in the third for arguing a check swing call. The Phillies are in town for a series starting tomorrow night. Just do what I do. Go for the food at this point. I mean, no disrespect to my Giants. I've been rooting for them since I was 8, but this season is a wash, yes.
The love is still there, though, because
Yeah.
I live not too far from Oracle Park, and they're still filling up the stands.
I mean, look, it's the Giants, and like I said, the food is fantastic. Not to take away from it. The first pitch on tomorrow night's game, 7:15. Your A's still on the road. They lost to the Washington Nationals yesterday, 5-1. They won that series with a day game today. First pitch at 1:05 before going down the road to start a 3-game series in Balmer, as they call it on the East Coast. Baltimore taking on the Orioles tomorrow. So go A's. Oh wait, I just forgot the most disturbing news. You have to go to the Marcus and Corey Facebook if you're into it. Someone has reimagined Winnie the Pooh as a horror movie.
No, I'm not into it at all.
Not just a horror movie, but a slasher movie.
But they're serial killers. It's him and Piglet.
I don't know what the legality is on this, but apparently it's an open public domain, and you can mess with the characters up to a point before Disney has to get involved, and someone has turned them into murderous, feral animals.
I don't like it.
Don't even want to tell you what happens in the movie.
No.
If you don't want your childhood ruined, don't click on it. Otherwise, go like Marcus and Corey on Facebook. The trailer's up right now.
Catch what's trending every weekday morning on the 50s. That's at 6:50, 7:50, and 8:50 a.m.
And connect now with the Marcus and Corey socials and blogs. That's at 1013.com.
Coming up on 9 o'clock, thank you for having us on. We are going to have second date update, the replay at 9:05, and then 5 5, you're getting to Vegas for the iHeartRadio Music Festival. That full trip up for grabs.
Every September, music's biggest names come to Las Vegas to play the iHeartRadio Music Festival. Millions tune in to experience once-in-a-lifetime performances and collaborations on the nighttime stage. But on Saturday afternoon, only the select few who have tickets get to see the newest artists who are changing music right now on the daytime stage. September 24th at Area 15 Las Vegas. Get tickets at AXS.com for only $75. Be there with alternative artists like Maggie Rogers, Willow, Girl in Red. And for country music lovers, Chase Rice is there, Ryan Hurd, and Carly Pierce. Lotto and Chloe for hip-hop fans, plus Love, 5 Seconds of Summer, Big Time Rush, Avril Lavigne. And the best part, you'll see all these great artists for only $75. Get tickets at AXS.com. Search Daytime Stage.
For over a century, Arrowhead has been bringing 100% mountain spring water to your home, sourced from naturally occurring mountain springs in and west of the Rockies. It's why they're committed to conserving springs and the land around them. Arrowhead brand, 100% mountain spring water.
Thursday, light clouds and fog at the coast. Clear inland, first day of a heat wave, so stay cool and hydrated. Temperatures, low 70s to low 100s.
This report is sponsored by Whole Foods Market. At Whole Foods Market, get 2 half pints of organic raspberries for $7 through September 6th, while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop in-store or online. Terms apply.
Huge news, you guys. Lucky California is now offering home delivery powered by Instacart. This is insanely convenient. You can now get groceries delivered to you in as fast as an hour right to your front door. It's like having a personal shopper, like your own second you. If you've ever said to yourself, I need another set of hands, here you go. They're going to shop for fresh produce, bakery items, everything you need throughout the store and deliver them right to your door. Lucky California has all the groceries that you love. Produce, fresh baked bakery items, and quality meat and seafood. Don't hesitate. Place your order today at shop.luckysupermarkets.com and see how easy home delivery can be. We love it. Right now you can save $10 when you spend $50 using the promo code LUCKYCA10. Again, the promo code is LUCKYCA10. You're not going to believe how convenient and easy home delivery is. You will never go back, I promise. Lucky California, the golden state of eating.
T-Mobile believes customers deserve to get more without paying more. Everything from entertainment benefits like Netflix on Us, to travel benefits, to scam shield protection, all with taxes and you pay. When you're a T-Mobile customer, you get over $225 in value every month in benefits with our Max Family Plan.
That's like paying for nosebleed seats. Get to sit in the front row.
That's right. At T-Mobile, your family gets over $225 worth of value and benefits with our Max Plan each and every month. Plus, with our Price Lock Guarantee, we won't raise your rate plan price for talk, text, and data ever.
That's like paying for
At T-Mobile, you get value beyond the expected.
Qualifying service required. Value based on included monthly benefits. Sales tax and regulatory fees included in Max's monthly price. Price Lock guarantees great price, talk, text, and data. Qualifying service. Exclusions apply. See details at T-Mobile.com.
Galaxy Z Flip 4. I've been learning tricks with my dog Finn. Like how to take the best selfies at the park. I just set my phone down, put it in flex mode, and capture hands-free pics from multiple angles. Or how to capture our training sessions for his followers. I simply wave my hand to start recording video. Good. Z Flip 4 is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket.
Visit Samsung.com today to get the new Galaxy Z Flip 4.
Can I be honest? Is going to save you single-handedly from this heat wave.
It's so refreshing.
You chill those juices, and then you're like, oh, this is what I need. It's like a slow-mo commercial, and you're going to be doing your body right because you got celery in there and kale in there, and then they dip in with the apple juice and pineapple juice.
Turmeric.
Yeah, and get a cleanse going. Because you know what? Now is the time. We're going to have the best weather in the Bay coming up September, October. Get a 3-day cleanse, 5-day cleanse. Use the promo code radio for free delivery and same-day delivery at checkout, and tell them Marcus and Corey sent you at squeezed.com.
Breathe new life into life at home with IKEA Festival. 10 topics, one purpose. To get more out of the homes we love. What are you passionate about? Art, dance, music, food, fur babies? Get inspired, create, and share with us. With Celebrate Family offers and live streams with expert advice. It's all happening at IKEA Festival. Join us from August 26th through September 10th online or at your local IKEA store. Learn more at IKEA-USA.com.
At Marshall's, our buyers hustle every day for the brands you love. Tell me about. Is that crystal? Silk. At that price? You've got a deal. With great deals always in store, come in and get more of the good stuff. Marshall's. Get the good stuff.
Gorgeous gaming, stunning streams, unbelievable bandwidth. It's another Lifestyles of Gagillionaires. Meet the AT&T fiber customers winning at life with hyper gig speeds. Meet Gagillionaire Terry. While his love of streaming horror movies has him constantly on the edge of his seat, his internet bill won't give him a scare. Oh, don't go in there. I'm telling you. Because since Terry upgraded to AT&T fiber with hyper gig speeds, he doesn't worry about data caps or equipment fees. Come on, man. The door's open for a reason. And best yet, he also doesn't stress about a price increase at 12 months, because with the amazing Gagillionaire lifestyle comes an exquisite sense of tranquility. Most of the time. Live like a Gagillionaire. Get straightforward pricing with AT&T fiber, internet that upgrades everything. No data caps, no equipment fees, and no price increase in 12 months.
Limited availability in select areas. Visit att.com/hypergig for details.
Get ready for a record-scratching, beat-dropping, guitar-smashing, encore-chanting best night ever, every night. This is Live in Vegas, featuring artists like Silk Sonic, The Weeknd, Kendrick Lamar, Imagine Dragons, Katy Perry, Pitbull, and Lionel Richie, plus everything else that makes Las Vegas like nowhere else on the planet. You're not just seeing a show, you're seeing a show in Vegas, where you can enjoy live to the fullest. See the full lineup at visitlasvegas.com.
Is your family ready for an emergency? You can prepare by mapping out 2 ways to escape your home, creating a supply kit, and including your whole family in practice drills. For help creating a visit safetyactioncenter.pge.com.
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? Like Square Place. That place with the square pizzas? Or the spot for sweet and sour chicken that's anything but so-so. Or you know, with the Granch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
Are you looking for a rewarding new career? Join the United States Postal Service and apply for roles nationwide. Serve your community with pride and receive benefits, including competitive pay and opportunities for advancement. Whether you are looking for full-time, part-time, or seasonal positions, we have options that may be perfect for you. The United States Postal Service is an equal opportunity employer. Apply now at .com/careers.
Hey, Becky, what about this beat for your next song?
It's cool, but I'm into faster stuff lately. Like Xfinity that gives me beyond gig speeds.
Got it. What about this then?
It sounds powerful. Devices at once.
That's what I call
Suitable internet from Xfinity. Made to do anything so you can do anything.
Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free 4K streaming box.